Hello everyone, I am Aditya and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going behind the scenes of modern AI into something that companies like Anthropic, OpenAI and others quietly depend on. It's called the MCP Server. If you have ever wondered how AI models handle millions of requests every second without collapsing, this is your answer. So what exactly is an MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Model is the actual brain, the trained neural network that generates intelligent responses. Context is the ongoing conversation history, the system settings, the previous instructions, all the background that shapes the model's output. Protocol is the communication rulebook, how a client talks to the model in a clean, predictable, standardized way. Here's an easy way to imagine it. Think of a restaurant. You're the client who walks in. You order one margarita pizza with extra cheese. This is the prompt and context you give. The kitchen is the model, processing your order. And the protocol? That's the restaurant system taking orders on a notepad, assigning table numbers, preparing dishes in a set format. If you just ran into the kitchen shouting random instructions, the whole restaurant would collapse into chaos. Same is with AI models today. Without context and protocol, even the smartest model would behave unpredictably. So why do MCP servers exist? Initially, interacting with AI was simple. One user, one prompt, one direct answer. But now, the scale is going crazy. Millions of clients, dynamic conversations, API integrations, fine-tuned instructions. Models aren't just answering what's the weather anymore. They're writing code, drafting contracts, designing solutions across languages, industries, and domains. Without control and filtering, AI models would be overwhelmed with messy inputs, unpredictable requests, and conflicting formats. That's why MCP servers are absolutely critical. They manage the messy real world before it hits the model. MCP handles authentication, checking if the user is even allowed to access the model. Context validation, making sure the incoming data is well formed and safe. Protocol enforcement, making sure the model understands the instructions the right way. Rate limiting, preventing spamming or overloading. Routing and load balancing, sending requests to the healthiest model available right now. Basically, MCP is the traffic police, the translator, and the security guard, all working invisibly between the client and the model. So let's take Anthropic's Claude model as a real world example. When you or any app sends a request to Claude, it doesn't go directly to the model. It first hits the Anthropic's internal MCP server. The server authenticates you, validates your context and prompt, decides which version of the model is best suited for the task, applies necessary guardrails or instructions, and only then forwards the clean, structured request to Claude. Without MCP, even the best models would get paralyzed handling junk requests, malicious prompts, or inconsistent protocols. So why context and protocols are the new superpowers? The future of AI isn't just about bigger models, it's about smarter context and cleaner protocols. Context lets AI understand deeper conversation, carrying memory, tone, intent. Protocol ensures all clients, whether a mobile app, an API, or an enterprise system, speak a common language to the model. Together, they transform AI models from text generators into reliable digital teammates. MCP servers make this future possible. So next time you interact with an AI chatbot, remember, behind that smooth, intelligent reply, there's an entire MCP system working hard, keeping everything structured, clean, and fast, and safe as well. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be sharing more real world AI system designs, scaling strategies, and engineering insights in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.